Welcome back to Pronouncemaster, where we explore different names and their pronunciations. Today, we have a special name that often leaves people puzzled, Siobhan. In this video, we'll break down the pronunciation of Siobhan and provide you with some tips to help you master it. So let's dive in. Siobhan is a popular Gaelic name for girls, but its spelling can lead to some confusion. Many people tend to mispronounce it as Coban or Siobhan. However, the correct pronunciation is actually closer to Shiv-on or Shiv-on. To help you remember this, think of the word shiv like a sharp object, followed by on or on at the end. Shiv-on or Shiv-on. Shiv-on. First, let's look at the initial S. This is pronounced as a soft SH sound, like in the words sheep or shy. So, instead of Coban, it will be Shiroban. Sure.
Next, we have I and O in Siobhan. The I sounds like a short I as in sit, and the O sounds like O as in bone. So it becomes Shirvan or Shirvan. Vaughn. Lastly, we have N at the end, which is pronounced as a light N. So, it's important to soften the pronunciation, making it more of a gentle nasal sound. Let's repeat the full name together. Shiv-on. Remember, it might take some practice, but don't worry, you'll get there. If you have any further questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching.